Hello friends, welcome back to MSPN's coverage of Marble Fubeca's America's Cup as we are here for the penalty kicks round number 2. It's a continuation of the first group stage. I am Rick O'Shea here representing MSPN. We saw in the first video the official beginning of the America's Cup. Costa Rica, Paraguay, Argentina, Uruguay, Brazil, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, and Dominica all went in their first stage group stage matchups, and so we will see the other 8 countries who will face off today and complete the first stage of the group portion of this competition for the penalty kicks. You see some of the cheering sections for the different countries. There is Mexico, Uruguay, Canada. We will see a couple of those. Mexico and Canada will both face off today. Uruguay did a pretty good job. They lead Group B as you have a look at the current standings. Round 2 of our first stage of the group stage. And so here are our matchups. It is Mexico against Peru, Colombia against Canada, Grenada against the United States, and Chile against Ecuador. There are the marbles that will face off against each other. Once again, 2 marbles representing their countries are a part of this penalty kick competition. The first will head down the winding course, make contact with a mechanism which will then kick forward the second marble, attempting to get it past the goalie or the goalkeeper. If you do that, you score a goal. 3 chances, and at the end, the country with the most goals will pick up a group win. And it is Peru who begins our second stage of group play, and they start it with a goal right past the left side of the keeper, and Peru takes a 1-0 lead. Nicely done on that first kick, and a very good opening tone to be set by Peru against Mexico. Again, the different categories you'll see on your screen after the end of this match. P represents goals, J represents matches played, V is wins, SG is goal differential, either positive or negative, and NF is faults. Here is Mexico's first kick, right through as it made contact with the goalie and into the net for a score. 1-1 after 1. And a good start for both of these countries. We saw the scoring pick up a little bit towards the second half of our first part of the group matchup, as Brazil and Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago all scored 3 goals on 3 tries. We head into the second round of this matchup between Mexico and Peru. Both of these countries automatically qualified to get into the America's Cup, so it's their first action that we've seen. Kick is on its way, and it is horribly off to the left of our screen toward the bottom of your screen and into the corner. Look on the replay, not sure what happened there, but that was a poor setup. Wow. Had no shot, and so Peru gives an easy miss and a chance for Mexico to take the advantage. That one hurts, as Mexico now has an opportunity to take the lead as the second marble. That is a huge advantage to have. Marble releases. Makes contact now with the mechanism. Kick is up. Kick is through. Through the right side of the goal. And Mexico takes a 2-1 lead. And the misstep by Peru could prove very costly, because now all they can do is hope for a draw. Huge goal there for Mexico. And now Peru has to get back into the right frame of mind after a really, really rough kick that last attempt. By far the furthest away from the goal that we have seen. And their next one is going to knock off the goalie and in, and Peru ties it at 2. And an opportunity for a draw. It's going to come down to Mexico's final attempt on the penalty kick. As you look at the replay, just got enough power to absorb that contact with the keeper and still able to knock it through. And so one more opportunity for the green and black marble representing the country of Mexico. Kick on the way. Kick is going to find its way through the upright, just to the left side of the goalpost there and in, and Mexico with a 3-2 win over Peru to take this match. And so Mexico will take the lead in Group A with 3 goals. 1 goal for Costa Rica, 1 goal for Paraguay. Peru did score 2 goals, but they end up as a loss, so they are in a little bit of trouble now. And our next matchup is Canada and Colombia. Canada with the very dark maroon colored marbles, and they will start first, and their first kick is through. A contact with the goalie, but not a overly difficult shot there. We've seen quite a few of those up towards the left of the goalie, just making contact and able to slide it through has been a pretty popular kick attempt so far by these countries in this first group stage. And now the very colorful marble representing Colombia. All of the colors on the country's flag, and this is going to hit off of the goalpost, and it will not fall back in. It's going to stop a little short of the goalpost, just shy of the line. And so Colombia comes up empty on their first attempt. Right there, it looked like it may have been able to squeeze in. Came back the wrong way, though. And so Canada takes the advantage into round 2. A 1-0 lead. And their second marble is off. Around that final turn. Kick is up. Kick is going to be denied by the keeper. And with that, the marble is going to stop, and any chances of a second goal in round number 2 for Canada will come to a close. Very nice stop by the goalkeeper there to keep Canada out of the net. Absorbing a lot of contact, and Canada just didn't quite have enough power behind their kick to push that one through. Big opportunity for Colombia. Got to take advantage and even this one up at 1-2. Kick is over. And it did the same exact thing off the left side of the upright. And the goalpost denies it. Made contact with the back of the goalie. And once again, Colombia comes up empty. So through 2 rounds, Canada gets it a break, and Colombia unable to take advantage of the miscue by the Canadians. And a chance to clinch it for Canada. Join Uruguay atop Group B. Kick is through, and it will be a win in this match for Canada. And so Colombia, who is right now the only country not to score, as you see, look at the match-winning goal on the replay. Colombia now just trying to score and put up a goal. Join Argentina with 1 goal at the bottom of Group B. Otherwise, they're going to be in the cellar all by themselves. And would be the only of the 12 marbles so far to go not to score a goal. Let's see. Pressure kick and through. Colombia able to salvage 1 goal. And on the replay, that had to be an enormous amount of pressure on that kick and the roll. As you look at that replay one more time, able to get it. It hit that left side of the goalpost again, which they did on all 3, but they were able to pick that up. As you see, Canada and Uruguay atop Group B. Now we move to Group C, which was a 3-3 tie between Brazil and Barbados, 2 heavyweights so far. And it will be Grenada and then the United States. And so the USA will go first. Silver metallic marble. Their first kick is right through. Didn't make contact with anything, it looked like. To the right of the goalie. Slid inside that goalpost, in the USA with a 1-0 lead over Grenada as they will make their first attempt. Yeah, that one just slid right on in. Perfect placement by the U.S. And now Grenada, who is using a mostly green with a little bit of red for that marble and just a touch of yellow. Coming around that final curve. And their first kick is going to make contact with the goalie and go in on the upper side of your screen through that goal. And it's 1-1. as both sides able to score. Once again, there is that kick that we've seen a lot of, making contact with the left side of the goalie and heading in. Has been a popular pick on where these marbles are attempting to place their penalty kicks. The pressure moves back to the U.S. A lot of speed early. Coming around that final corner. Kick is gonna make contact and go in. And so the U.S. is 2 for 2. And right now, Group C is 9 for 9 as a whole. Brazil and Barbados both went perfect. The U.S. is perfect, 2 for 2, and Grenada scored on their only attempt. So let's see if they can make that a perfect 10 for 10 as a group. This is a power weight for a group. Kick is going to miss off to the right side. And so the first miss for the entire group will come from Grenada. And the advantage goes to the U.S. in the lead. And a chance to clinch a victory in Group C, which could be huge. That would put the United States ahead with a win after Brazil and Barbados both tied. And so this is a very important kick for the United States. Once again, a lot of speed coming around that final corner. Contact made, kick missed off to the left. And it will die there. And so the U.S. unable to guarantee that they will move on, or rather guarantee that they will have a win in this match. As they miss that third and final kick, they'll finish at a 2 for 3 clip, and Grenada now will try to do the same. And their final kick is going to graze the left side of the goalie and in. And so Grenada and the U.S. both will finish with 2, and both matchups in Group C end in ties. The updated standings there. As our final matchup here is Chile against Ecuador. Ecuador will go first, yellow and red. And their first kick missed off to the left side. Very similar to what we just saw, as it's going to try to roll its way back in. It's stopped by the goalie. Wow, big stop there by the keeper. Almost got it to roll around and back into the goal, but Ecuador will not score. That was almost identical to what we saw from the U.S. And so now the white, red, and blue of Chile. Kick is on its way. There's a little bit of yellow on that ball as well. And it's going to die just in front of the goal. Both sides unable to score on their first try. Looking at the replay, that one was a little bit closer. But once again, unable to score. And so Chile and Ecuador, neither able to put the ball in the goal. And so it is 0-0 through one round. Here comes Ecuador one more time. Love to score here, and they do. Putting the pressure on Chile. Very well done that time by Ecuador. You absolutely don't want to put yourself in a situation where you are 0 for 2, and you have to keep relying on the other country to struggle as well. Here's Chile. They'd love to even it back up at 1 and send it to a decisive third round. Kick is good. Didn't make contact with anything. Impressive kick there from Chile. And both sides, after going scoreless through that first round, put it through the net, even us at 1. And the final marble for Ecuador. There it is, and it's through. Lands right at the goal, but it did go in. As you saw, a little bit of a different angle there on the camera view, focusing more on that mechanism that kicks the ball. And when it made contact, it had enough pressure to push that one through. And now the pressure shifts to Chile. Let's have one more look at that view. Contact is made. Kick is gonna die at the goalpost. Right on the left side. We've seen that a few times in this first stage of the group round, and it's gonna cost Chile. The win will go to Ecuador. They will join Trinidad and Tobago as victors from Group D in the first stage of the group play. 2-1. As you have a look at the complete first stage finishes, quite a few ties. We saw 3 out of the 8 were ties. There are the standings for Group A, B, C, and D. Mexico, Brazil, Uruguay, Trinidad, and Tobago in the lead. Costa Rica, Canada, Barbados, Ecuador, also in transition or transfer spots. As we are through the first stage of group play. And so we will continue forward with another stage of group play, moving on with the penalty kicks for the America's Cup. But until then, I'm Ricochet, and you've been watching MSPN's coverage of Marble Fubeca's America's Cup.